Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to simplify expression with exponents. So x power 3 times x power 2 is equals to what? So we are going to use exponent rule, that is x power m times x power n is equals to x power m plus n. So it becomes x power 3 plus 2, which is equals to x power 5. Suppose we have 2 power 3 times 2 power 2. So we will simplify, write the base ones and add the powers. So it's 2 power 5, which is equals to 32. Now another problem is if 2x square whole power is 3. So how can we solve? We are going to use another exponent rule. X power m power n is equals to x power mn. So it becomes 2 power 2x square whole power 3. So 2 cube times x square whole cube. So 2 cube is 8 and x power 2 power 3 we can write it as x power mn. So x power 2 times 3 is 6. So it is 8x power 6. I hope it's clear, and there is a question homework for you, that is y power 5 by y power 2 is equals to what? You have to write your answer in comment box, which exponent rule you have used and what is your answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you face any difficulty related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.